Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2018 GMC Yukon SLE SUV that is GMC Factory Certified. On the outside of this Yukon, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and a power liftgate. Inside, we have comfortable cloth seating for 7, automatic temperature control, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 Yukon has less than 49,000 miles, GMC Factory Certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.